Good morning, fam. If you woke up feeling stiff, foggy, or like your back never fully rested, you're not broken, you're just overdue for movement that actually supports your structure. This flow will reset your backside from head to heel. Let's hit the mat. Start in a plank, then lift your hips up and back. Press your heels toward the ground, fingers spread wide, head relaxed. Feel that long line from your wrists to your hips. That's your entire posterior chain opening up. I promise this move hits calves, hamstrings, spine, and shoulders in one go. It's not just your regular stretching pose, it's a full body lengthener. Beginners, keep your knees soft and prioritize the length in your spine. Advanced stretches, walk your feet slightly closer and try to press the heels down. Did you know that downward dog decompresses your spine the same way inversion tables aim to without the gear? Hold for 5 more seconds. Breathe into your back. That just unlocked your chain. Now we flip the script to the front. Lower down, hands under your shoulders. Inhale and lift your chest. Elbows bent, hips stay grounded. Feel the curve in your spine? That's your front body waking up and your lower back sighing with relief. I promise, this strengthens spinal extension, improves posture, and opens the chest that slouched while you slept. Beginners, keep it low in baby cobra. Advanced stretches, straighten the arms and pull the shoulders back more. Can you feel your belly peel off the mat? Hold for 5 more seconds. Now breathe deeper. That just expanded your front. Now we ripple through the spine. On all fours, inhale, arch your spine, tailbone and head lift, cow. Exhale, round everything, chin to chest, cat. Move slow. Connect your breath to each shift. I promise this lubricates your spine, restores rhythm to your nervous system, and relieves morning tension. Beginners, just focus on breath and smooth motion. Advanced stretches, add hip circles or pause in your tightest spot. Here's something surprising. Most back pain stems from immobility, not damage. This helps both. Hold your next cat stretch for 5 more seconds. Now flow back to neutral. That just rewired your spine. Let's carry that freedom down to the legs. Stand tall, hinge at the hips to grab your toes. Drop into a deep squat, chest lifts, then straighten your legs again. Feel the stretch? That's your hamstrings and spine getting recalibrated. I promise, this one move strengthens posture, increases flexibility, and activates glutes and core. Beginners, hold a chair or don't squat as deep. Advanced stretches, pause longer at the bottom and lift the chest higher. Here's a little challenge. Can you keep your heels down and chest up on every squat? Five more seconds. Feel the difference? That just activated your base. Now we close strong. Sit down, legs straight, hands behind you, fingers pointing forward. Lift your hips, squeeze your glutes, chest opens. You're finishing with strength because release without reinforcement isn't enough. I promise this final move activates your entire backside, corrects rounded posture, and charges your nervous system with energy. Beginners, bend your knees for a reverse tabletop. Advanced stretches, keep legs straight and push through the heels. Let's play a little game. Can you hold this a full minute without letting your hips drop? 5 seconds left. Breathe, finish tall. You just reset your back, glutes, spine, and posture. Now let's reset the rest of your day. Tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture-plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.